Whether you are a business, a reseller, an artist, or a DIY enthusiast, you might be planning to use traditional neon lights in your next project. Before you do, did you know there is something much better than traditional neon lights? And it's safer and cost-effective. Introducing LED Neon Flex Champ as a substitute for traditional neon lights. LED Neon Flex Champ is the LED version for the traditional neon tubes, but 10 times better. Why? 10 reasons why LED Neon Flex Champ is better. Number 1, power consumption. Traditional glass neon consumes much more energy than LED Neon Flex. 2, safety. The LED Neon Flex is safe for people to touch and manipulate. Traditional neon lights are dangerous due to the high voltage, such as 10,000 volts, which creates the risk of causing a fire. 3, environmentally friendly. The LED Neon Flex uses environmentally friendly materials. The LED Neon Flex is a green product. It's not a hazard to people, animals, plants, nor the environment. Glass neon tubes contain gases and might have toxic materials such as mercury that need to be handled very carefully. 4, installation. The LED Neon Flex Champ is easy to use and easy to install. You only need to follow basic instructions on bending angles and bending directions. 5, color. LED Neon Flex can generate all the colors you need in the spectrum. 6, they are dimmable. LED Neon Flex Champ can be dimmed with dimmable LED drivers. 7, color changing capabilities. LED Neon Flex can change colors and make different colors and motion patterns by an external control system. 8, versatility. LED Neon Flex can make a single run for as far as 33 feet without a break. 9, performance. Zlight LED Neon Flex has the smoothest light output without any hotspots. They look like traditional glass neon tubes, but brighter and more energy efficient. 10, maintenance. LED Neon Flex Champ strips are a one and done lighting solution. They don't need much care or maintenance. Traditional neon glass tubes require regular maintenance. The gases inside the neon tube needs to be replaced periodically for the lights to work effectively. With traditional neon, you also need to keep the glass surface clean, the phosphor covering intact, and the power terminals on either end maintained so that they work flawlessly. The many applications for LED neon signs. LED neon letters or signage, building and sign outlining light, general and cover lighting, ships, boats, or all sort of vehicles outline lighting, creating or enhancing the ambience for rooms and spaces for residential or commercial purposes, artistic projects, displays, events, and more. There are 4 types of LED Neon Flex Champ. 1, sidebend. 2, sidebend mini. 3, top bend. And 4, RGB sidebend.